that came with the machine. It's a 5x7, so let's try and see if we can hook up our project material. I made another hook because the other one was spoiled yesterday night and I was feeling sleepy, so I made it. Stabilizer is at the back, and this is my project. I'm just trying to see what will happen. So this is very tight. I made sure that it's tight, it's fitting very well, and I tied it from this end. So I need to fix it to this machine here. I need to fix it here. Let's see how we do it today. Fixed it there. I hooked it to the embroidery unit here. It's very easy. You just press this down, it will remove it, and or if you want to fix, you press this and then you fix the hook. So we are here. Shows red, that means the machine is not in operation, but it's very dangerous. Don't touch down there. So let's concentrate on this. Oh my god, I made a mistake. That shouldn't be. Oh, let's see. Okay. Okay, now we start today again with the same thing, because you see the machine asked me if we can recall the previous memory. So that is what we are starting with today, because the thread is here. I have to familiarize myself with the numbers so that I know, because some numbers did not come in this small box that I received with the machine. So here we are, and let's see today how we will proceed. And now you have to, and yesterday it told me that the bobbin is not, it's almost finished. So let's see if it will work. Our lower foot. Okay, it's showing green now. So let's see if it will work. Check and rethread the upper thread. That is a walking foot, and it's really walking. See how it's embroidered, it's doing that task that has been assigned to do. This is a computerized machine. Actually, I don't have to do anything, but I have to watch because it's a single needle machine. It's not a multiple machine, so you have to watch, because sometimes this can come in the way of embroidery, so you have to check and monitor it. But so far so good, so we are learning each and every day. Going over again, so far it's okay, it's beautiful, it's coming out so beautiful. Wow, it's so nice. So it has done 1225 stitches. You can see that it's counting the stitches. That's why I think that's why it's very expensive to buy embroidered items like shirts, appliques, and all those. See how many stitches it has made until now? 1319, and keeps on increasing. So, and it's beautifully coming out. Beautifully coming. We are here with our brother. Okay, we are here with our brother PE800 doing what it's known to be doing, and this is a test trial. Is it a test trial or a trial? And look at what it's doing. Look at the display panel where we selected our item to embroider, and we have 4 colors of thread, and they're there down there. I have a thread holder. I'm not using the spool here. So yes, look at what this thing is doing. Wow, it's so nice. It's so nice. Very, very nice. I'll show you the finished product just now. After how many minutes? After around 15 minutes. So embroidery is not a joke. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. But it's beautifully coming out. And this is a 5x7 hoop. And this is the embroidery unit. Always, for safety measures, stay away from this because it moves. It moves on its own. As a single needle, you just have to stay there and check if everything is going on well. But so far, so good. And we are here. Very, very nice. The color is very nice. It's pink 107. And the working foot is doing what it's best. It's known to be doing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This, I don't know what to say. I am so happy. Now we are done with 107. The machine has completed the embroidery of the S. This is the color that it is. Now it's showing me to follow up with the thread number 534. So that is the downside part, because we have to, it's not like multi-needle. Multi-needle machines, the commercial ones or the big ones, it's auto threading. So this one you have to change every time, but the machine alerts you. The machine alerts you. So this is the S that we are making, and it's very, very nice. It's coming out nice. So let me change and then come back. I changed the color to 534. The machine shows you 534 is the next, and it shows you where it's going to start. See, it's computerized, and it shows you how many stitches you're gonna make and for how many minutes. We've already done 2613 on the first thread, and it took 12 minutes. So it shows you we are on the second thread, which is 534, and I've already done it. I've put it there, and I've threaded the machine. It's already in there, in the needle down there, and it's showing red because it's not in operation. And you see where the working foot is stopping. That's the same place shown with this small star here. So let's lower the lever, and see that light turns green. So let's press the green and let's start the job. see the star is showing that it's moving. I think the quality of the thread is not that good. That's why it's not showing very well, but it's fine. It's a trial, so as we try, we'll get to know what works best for us. So we're just here. Let's stop first and see what is happening. We are on the last lap. Let's see how it goes. And our S is coming out nicely. I had a challenge with the colors because some colors were not there, so I had to improvise. And machine, by the way, accepts any color. Even though it's here, it's supposed to be 70, I don't have 70, so I put another color. And overall, it's good. So let's see how it goes. Very nice, very nice. It's coming out very nice. The finished product will be here soon and very soon. This thing brings more fun when you're doing it, because instead of yapping there on Facebook, quoting things that I don't understand, let me just do my thing here. People have emotions, others have positive, others negative, so I'm tired of that negativity. So I end up some other things that don't bring food on my table, so I decided to venture into this. So let's do. And you guys, what are you doing? We shall soon be accepting orders, but not now because we are still learning. So we are giving ourselves 2 months or 1 month approximately, based on our business plan, so that we can do these things for people on their clothes or on their t-shirts, labels, oblique, and all these things. So we are on the right track. I need to cut all these threads that are here so that it will look crisp and neat for the final product. And it's done. See how many stitches it made? And the machine shows you embroidery is finished, so it's safe to turn to say okay. And then you go here and clean your project. And that's all. I'll show you the finished project after some time. Bye. Wow, look at that S. Isn't it so nice? The thread is coming out very well. This material is not that good. That's why it has some lint on it. So, but this is just for testing. I'm sure if I buy good things, good material, I will be able to make good things from this. Actually, I'll just repeat again that for it to be firm, I had to put the stabilizer. It's a tearaway stabilizer at the back to give it strength, and then I tightened it here on this hoop, which is 5 by 7, and this is the finished product. And machine goes back to its original setup. And if you want to do multiple projects, you continue pressing this button here, because once you lower the lever at the back, you just press this machine and it will embroider. So this is a finished product. Tell me it's not bad, it's not good. It's very nice. It's very nice. I'll try again another project, a simple one, and see how it comes out with only one thread, and then that's it. Congratulations, Hustle on Wheels. We are doing good. We are doing good. We are doing good.